Welcome to JH. RoboForex.com claims to be a regulated global trading broker licensed by the Financial Services Commission of Belize, offering secure trading, negative balance protection, and fund safety features. Sounds reassuring, right? Because nothing says financial security quite like a license from a tiny Caribbean nation famous for its coral reefs and tax-free secrets. But the real question is RoboForex actually legit, or are there risks you should know about? Let's break it down step by step, so make sure you watch until the end. First, let's look at a positive sign. When we checked the domain details, we found that RoboForex's website has been active since October 2006. That's almost 2 decades online, which is practically ancient in internet years and not something you usually see with short-term scam sites. While age alone doesn't prove everything, just ask my VCR, a long-running domain does add some credibility and stability. Another positive point is their social media presence. RoboForex is active on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, regularly posting updates and engaging with users. It's nice to know they have time to post content while they're busy managing your life savings. The third positive sign is customer support access. They provide live chat, a physical address, and a contact number, suggesting the platform is making a genuine effort to stay accessible and accountable. Now, let's talk about reviews, because this is where the fairy tale usually ends. When we checked user discussions on platforms like Reddit, we found very mixed feedback. Many traders reported sudden, large losses after depositing funds, especially when using the copy trading features. Some users claimed the company refused refunds, delayed withdrawals, or provided explanations as clear as a London fog. There are also concerns about RoboForex being registered offshore in Belize, which raises questions about regulation strength and accountability. I'm sure a legal battle in an offshore tax haven would be a lovely, expensive vacation for everyone involved. That said, not all feedback is negative. A few users mention making good profits with certain traders. Features like micro accounts, high leverage, and referral bonuses do attract many users, but these benefits are essentially the financial equivalent of juggling chainsaws for beginners. So, is RoboForex.com legit? The platform shows signs of legitimacy, such as a long-standing domain and active support. However, repeated complaints about withdrawals and technical issues point to a high-risk environment. If you decide to use RoboForex, extreme caution is strongly advised. Starting with a very small amount is the only way to play it safe. Thanks for watching till the end. If this breakdown helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.